Welcome to the Inteleos examination tutorial. Our goal is to help you feel comfortable with the examination system prior to your examination date. To help you have a successful examination experience, this tutorial contains instructions and sample questions to be used as illustrations of what you may see on your ARDMS or APCA examination. The image that you see now, containing 4 birds, will be the first screen in your examination. If you're unable to see all 4 birds, please notify the Test Center administrator. Let's take a few minutes to orient you to the examination program and the different tools available on each screen. The upper left-hand corner of each page will contain a Notes button. Clicking on this button will open a text box in which you can make notations about the current question you're reviewing. Some Inteleos examinations contain a calculator, which would be in the upper left-hand corner of each page next to the Notes button. Simply click to open. In the upper right-hand corner, you can see how much time you have remaining by viewing the time clock. You can also see the current question number and total number of questions remaining by viewing the progress tracker. The next and previous buttons on the bottom of the screen will be available throughout the examination. To select your answer, use your mouse to click on the radio button. For all examination questions you want to mark for review throughout the examination, you can click the Flag for Review button in the upper right-hand corner to flag a question. Questions may be selected for review whether you've answered them or not. However, the questions can only be reviewed during your allotted examination time. To view the questions that you have flagged, click on the Review button in the lower right-hand corner. This screen will allow you to see the question number, status, flag, and any notes you have added. Some questions may not entirely fit on the screen. In such cases, you must use the scroll bar that appears along the right side of the screen to scroll and review the rest of the question. If a question contains video content, be certain to watch the entire video. Important information may be contained in the middle or at the end of the clip. There are no sounds in any examination videos. When you've reached the last question of the examination, press the Next button and you will be taken to the final review screen. The review screen will show you all examination questions with the option to review all, review incomplete, or review flagged questions. You can also select or deselect additional questions to be flagged by clicking on the flag image next to an item number. To return to an item while on the review screen, click on an item number to link directly to its location in the exam. When you have completed your review, please click on the End Review button on the lower left of the screen to exit the review. Please note, once you click the End Review button, you will have 2 warning pop-up windows to confirm that you have completed your examination. There will be a final examination page and an End Examination button in the left-hand corner. Once this button is clicked, you have submitted your completed examination. This concludes the Inteleos examination system tutorial.